Alright you guys, I was trying to have all these crazy intros for everything, and this is like take 20 at this point, but I just want to show you guys all the epic new updates that happened in this YouTube studio. So without further ado, let's roll it. Alright, so as you can see, a lot of new changes to the YouTube studio. Some things are still the same, but others are a big upgrade. Couple of things. The background behind me, yeah, this background, it's actually real. It's not a green screen anymore. This is actually where I live, and this is my actual background. That glowing effect, that's an actual light. Okay? We're trying to upgrade the setup here, people. We're trying to start fresh, have a nice modern look, and I'm taking steps towards doing that. I hope you guys were able to kind of see all the different components that are in the YouTube studio. I'm going to do a lot of different unboxing videos explaining all the different products that you saw in that video. Some of them I already did cover, so if you want to see them again, kind of an update as to what I think 6 months later, a year later, 2 years later, depending on when I bought it, let me know in the comments down below. But there's a lot of new updates, including this one. Check this out. See you guys. See ya. I look like I'm about to drown. I'm like, come back, Jack, please, I'm sinking. Yeah, you guys, I got a standing desk, okay? Have you ever had an opportunity to move somewhere new, start from scratch, and just have a list of things that you always wanted to set up and you don't know what it's going to be like, how it's going to look, how it's going to turn out? I watched so many videos of people setting up their different YouTube studio setups, and I believe my setup, it's not the best, it's not the worst, but I feel like it's achievable for most people out there to set up with ease. It is somewhat pricey, I will admit, but also it looks somewhat cool, at least for me in my opinion. It's pretty simple. You can take it with you, so you don't have to keep spending the same amount of money whenever you move, which is great. I made sure that this process of moving all this stuff after I move out of this place will be doable, and I don't have to like throw things out because you only can use them once they're installed. Now you can move things around, like the Govee lights, the LED lights that you strip on and put on underneath your desk that stick on. Well, you can't really bring those to another desk if you get a new desk. If you bring the same desk, yes, you can keep them, but if you don't, then you're screwed. So I try to make this kind of future proof, if you will, in terms of the entire setup, and making sure that I can continue using the same investment that I made right now for future apartments as well. So yeah, it's really exciting. The new place I live, it's a lot nicer in terms of weather, the people, you know, everything's really nice. I'm really genuinely happy to be moving here, starting fresh, and hopefully providing even more videos with you guys just because of how much better my setup is. One thing I do want to say from all this aside is, do you need a setup like this? No. Did you see how I started? I need to pull up a clip of me talking into my phone. Test 1, test 2, test 1, test 2, volume check 1, volume check 2. It's just crazy how much things can change in such a short period of time. So I wouldn't stress about if you're in a situation similar where you're trying to upgrade your setup and make things look nicer, sound better, all that. I wouldn't stress. It's going to come with time. Obviously, the way I did it was a little accelerated. I'm not going to lie. Usually people take a little bit longer to upgrade their setup, and there's no reason for me to have upgraded this quickly. It's not like I'm making crazy money off of YouTube. It's just something I personally am passionate and care about and believe in the future. So I'm going to invest in it and hope for the best and try my best. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am about this new journey that we're about to go on for this channel. But you guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see. I really want to make sure that I'm providing content that you guys actually care about and not just what I'm passionate about. I'm going to also create videos around that, but I want to make sure I'm hitting on all the marks that you would like to see as well. So with all that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support you guys have shown on this channel. It wouldn't exist without all of you guys. Literally, it would not be anything without all of you guys. Even you, like you watching this screen right now, I'm looking at you, like you holding up your phone, you holding up your laptop, that are watching this video, me talking to you directly, not just as a collector group. You specifically are the reason why we're here today. So I just want to say thank you. I'm really excited. Look forward to more unboxings in the near future. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys in future videos. Thanks.